Mabuhay, mayong gabi sa tanan akong followers. Guys, mahilig ba kayo sa ramen noodles? Especially Japanese product? So tamang-tama, please try to visit Chichiran Japanese Restaurant. Located lang siya sa corner Palma Hill Street in Ponciano, Davao City. Open sila for 24 hours. Itong produkto na, mauni siya, ilang produkto. This is very amazing, very delicious. This is only 400 pesos, guys. Di na pag yun sila pakapin nga ice cream. This is ice cream. Sarap. Sa tanan akong followers, viewers, supporters, please try to visit Chichiran Japanese Restaurant. Dili lang siya sa corner Palma Hill Street, guys.